Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today, this is the part 2 of the previous topic I told you. In the previous video, I did this interesting topic, that is surface area and volume, in which I taught you the curved surface area and total surface area of the angular cone, right angular cone. But in this video, we are studying about the surface area, total surface area and curved surface area of sphere and hemispheres. Now, let's get on with the video without further ado. Please don't forget to like, share and comment this video. Now, first we will talk about what these terms belong to and which of these 3D objects. That is, the surface area of surface area belongs to the sphere. Curved surface area and total surface area belongs to the hemisphere. Now, you must be wondering why there is no curved surface area and total surface area for the sphere. There is nothing as such as this for the sphere. There is only surface area of the sphere. Now, first, in this we will be writing as surface area. The formula for surface area of the sphere would be 4 pi r square. The diagram can be drawn as this. My circles don't matter the shape of the figure, it's just to make you understand. Now, this is not a hollow sphere. There are two kinds of sphere, that is hollow sphere and non-hollow sphere. Non-hollow spheres are having gaps in between them, that is no space in between them, and hollow spheres are having no space. Hollow spheres are having many gaps and empty inside them, but the non-hollow spheres are having nothing, they are filled inside them. Now, the surface area of sphere is 4 pi r square. We are talking about curved surface area of hemisphere. Now, the hemisphere diagram can be drawn like this. Now, the sphere is a complete circle and this is a non-complete circle, that is a semicircle, but it is kind of an oval shape. Now, the curved surface area of hemisphere formula is 3 pi r square. I meant curved surface area of hemisphere formula is 2 pi r square. Now you must be noticing that I haven't wrote slant height in this. There is no such thing as slant height in the terms of surface area, sphere and hemisphere. There is no such thing as slant height. There are two changes. That is, there is no slant height and there is the square of the radius. Now the total surface area of hemisphere formula is 3 pi r square. These are the three formulas that we will be learning today. Now we will be doing some practice questions, or I can say very basic questions, to help you understand how we can implement these three formulas in every question. Now let's go on with the questions. The first we will be studying about the surface area of sphere. Regarding this, we have the question that is written here. Now we are having a question here, that is, we are given the base of the radius is 7 cm and we have given that we have to find the surface area of sphere. Now the surface area of sphere formula is 4 pi r square. We just have to implement the value of the radius, that is 7 cm, which will be 4 times 22 by 7 times 7 times 7. This will be cancelled. 88 times 7, which will be 616. The answer will be 616 centimeter square. Now why I have wrote centimeter square here? You can see the term area is coming. So for the area we will only use the square units given in the question. In the given question we have given the units as centimeter. So we use the square of the unit, that will be centimeter square. 616 centimeter square. Now this is a required answer. This was a very basic question and I will tell you every basic question that you can get for these three formulas. And with this you will understand how to implement these in the questions. Now let's get on with the question in which we will be regarding as curved surface area of hemisphere. Now we are having a question here in which we have given the base radius is 21 centimeter and we have to find the curved surface area of hemisphere. Now I told you previously the formula for curved surface area of hemisphere would be 2 pi r square. Now we have to only implement the value of r, that is 21 centimeter, which will be 2 times 22 by 7 times 21 times 21. 7, 3, which will be 44 times 63, which will be 2772 centimeter square. Now, as you can see, these are very basic questions, and you will understand how to implement these in the questions. Now, before watching these questions, before watching the answers of these questions, try to solve them yourselves and check out the answer if it is correct or not. Now, moving on to further, we are having the total surface area of hemisphere. I'm writing the question down. Now we are having a question here regarding the total surface area of hemisphere. We have given the slant height equals to 14 centimeter, radius equals to 10 centimeter, and we have to use the value of pi, that is 3.14. Now the formula for total surface area of hemisphere would be 3 pi r square. Now many of you must be wondering that we have to implement the slant height here somewhere. But no, there is no such thing given in the formula that we have to implement the slant height. So I know you guys are very smart and you will know how to solve the question before me. So now before checking the answer, try to solve this question with me. Now implementing the value of pi and the radius given in the questions, that are 3 times 3.14 times 10 times 10. Now after multiplying 3 times 314, which will be 940, which will be 942 centimeter square. This was a kind of trick questions for some of you, but some of you are very smart, so you know how to solve this question. So I made this video here only with saying this is our required question, the required answer. Now if you understand this video, then well and good. If you didn't understand it, rewind the video and check what the process and steps I did. I hope after rewinding you will understand it. If not, rewind it a second time and check it. Now thank you and have a nice day.